Ham and cheese roll-ups served as a picnic staple, celebrated for their effortless preparation and delightful flavor. These finger foods were often enjoyed without the need for utensils, with variations incorporating different cheeses and extra ingredients. In addition, cucumber sandwiches emerged as a popular choice, appreciated for their refreshing taste and elegant presentation. Frequently featured at garden parties and picnics, their delicate flavor quickly made them a favorite among attendees. Then, there was the Ritz Cracker Mock Apple Pie, an innovative dessert that ingeniously used crackers to mimic apples. This surprising alternative earned its place as a beloved recipe, thanks to its unique sweet tart flavor. Furthermore, the mock apple pie creatively replicated traditional apple pie, serving as a unique conversation starter and budget-friendly option for gatherings. Its popularity soared, particularly during seasons when fresh apples were hard to find. Cocktail wieners, too, gained fame thanks to their irresistible sweet and tangy sauce made from grape jelly and chili sauce. This delightful flavor combination contributed to their status as a favorite at picnics and potlucks. Meanwhile, Waldorf salad flourished in the 1970s, featuring apples, celery, and walnuts cloaked in a creamy dressing. This dish embodied the era's trend towards accessible yet sophisticated recipes, providing a refreshing taste for warm weather gatherings. The preparation of deviled eggs involves a mix of yolks, mayonnaise, mustard, and spices, yielding a smooth and flavorful filling. This harmonious blend ensures a delightful balance of flavors and textures. Moreover, various flavor combinations can be crafted by incorporating unique ingredients like relish or hot sauce. This personalization caters to diverse palates, enhancing their overall appeal. Due to their easy transport and widespread popularity among guests, deviled eggs are ideal for gatherings. They evoke nostalgic memories of picnics and parties, further adding to their charm. Typically, the 7-layer salad showcases a base of crisp lettuce layered with peas, cheese, and bacon, resulting in a harmonious taste experience. While the classic version remains beloved, numerous variations exist with additional vegetables and diverse dressings. Additionally, fondue gained traction during the 1970s, offering an interactive dining experience at picnics with melted cheese or chocolate for dipping. This engaging style added excitement to gatherings. Watergate salad, another favorite from the 70s, features a vibrant green hue and a sweet flavor profile. This dessert became a staple at family gatherings and potlucks, praised for its refreshing taste. Chicken salad, often crafted with chicken, grapes, and nuts, is celebrated for its satisfying texture and harmonious flavors. This dish remains a staple at picnics, lunches, and festive parties. Similarly, barbecue meatballs emerged as a popular dish in the 70s, renowned for their savory flavor and straightforward preparation. To this day, they continue to be a favorite at gatherings and celebrations. Furthermore, the popularity of fruit kebabs makes them an excellent choice for picnics, barbecues, and parties. They offer a convenient and portable way to enjoy fresh fruit. These fruit kebabs can be customized with various fruits and even dipped in yogurt or chocolate, enhancing their appeal. This versatility allows for endless variations tailored to different tastes. Finally, fruit kebabs provide a guilt-free way to satisfy a sweet tooth while maintaining a healthy diet. This quality makes them an ideal option for health-conscious individuals. In conclusion, these timeless picnic favorites not only evoke nostalgia but also cater to a variety of tastes and dietary preferences, making them perfect for any gathering.